He's on the move now. He's taking off. I think he's running.
Oh, no, kid, come on.
You got him? He's at the payphone. Who the hell is he calling?
Oh, no, come on, kid, no, come on.
Hello?
Nice try, asshole.
Jesse? Where are you? Just want to talk to you.
No, I'm not doing what you want anymore. Okay, asshole?
This is just a heads up to let you know I'm coming for you.
See, I decided that burning down your house is nothing. Next time, I'm gonna get you where you really live.
Jesse, listen.
Jesse? Jesse?